In this video, I'll detail how to make a phone call with Siri on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to make an iPhone phone call using Siri, then this video is going to walk you through. So to make a phone call with Siri on your iPhone, you can just say, "Hey Siri, call my woman, Mubu." You see that? So that is how to make a phone call with Siri. So here basically I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to take to do this. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do before you can make a phone call with Siri on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings, you want to scroll down and select Siri. So this depends on your iOS. If you're using iOS 18, just click on Siri. And if you're using iOS 17.5 or earlier, you need to click on Siri and search. Then select Siri. And then while on the Siri page, make sure you tap Talk to Siri and turn on Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So this is going to activate Siri for you on your iPhone. And also you can turn on press side button for Siri like this, so that when you press the side button, just like this is going to wake Siri on your iPhone. Then after that, you want to follow the process to set up your Siri for the first time, if you're using this for the first time. And also turn on allow Siri when locked. Then come to Siri response and choose prefer spoken responses, so that when you're talking to Siri on your iPhone, this is going to prompt Siri to respond to whatever you say on your device. Then scroll down again and tap call hang up, so that when you're on active call, you can simply say hey Siri hang up, and this is going to hang up the phone call on your iPhone. So once that is set with Siri, then you are done. But once that is set up, just go back, and whenever you want to make a phone call with Siri on your iPhone, all you just need to do is say, "Hey Siri, call Jasper, Mubu." You see that? You can also tell Siri to hang up. "Hey Siri, hang up." You see that? That is exactly how to make a phone call with Siri on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.